Understanding idioms. Beat the air. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore the meaning behind the idiom, beat the air. Idioms can often be puzzling, especially when translating directly from one language to another. However, they're a fun and essential part of mastering English, so let's dive in. Before we get to our main phrase, let's clarify what an idiom is. An idiom is a phrase or an expression that has a figurative meaning different from its literal meaning. It's like a secret code. To understand it, you need to know what it represents in the culture and language. The phrase, beat the air, literally refers to the action of hitting or striking at the air with one's hands or an object. Picture someone swinging their arms around with no real target. It's just air, and hitting it doesn't achieve much, does it? Figuratively, beat the air is used to describe a person's actions that are ineffective or useless. It's often applied to efforts that are wasted because they won't change the situation. For example, arguing against a very popular opinion might feel like beating the air. You're making an effort, but it's unlikely to have an impact. Let's put our idiom into some sentences. Arguing with him is like beating the air. He never changes his mind. The team's attempts to score in the final minutes were like beating the air. The other team's defense was too strong. When using this idiom, remember that it carries a sense of frustration or futility. It's perfect for situations where you want to express that you or someone else is engaged in a pointless activity. And that's beat the air for you. Next time you come across a situation where no amount of effort seems to make a difference, you'll have the perfect idiom to describe it. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video has helped clarify this interesting phrase for you. Keep practicing, and you'll be speaking like a native in no time.